The last part of our video is a call to action. A call to action is a specific instruction or prompt that encourages the viewer to take a desired action after watching a video. It serves as the final step in the viewer's journey, guiding them towards the next course of action and encouraging engagement with the creator's content or brand. This is where we ask them to watch another video on our channel, mainly in the form of an end screen or asking the viewer to click on a subsequent video. This is always very important to keep them in the video watching loop. Here's why the call to action is important. It increases watch time. So keeping viewers on YouTube and watching more videos on the channel contributes to higher overall watch time, which is a key metric used by the YouTube's algorithm to determine video and channel performance. Huge metric when it comes to the algorithm. A higher watch time can improve the visibility and ranking of the channel's videos in search and recommendations. So a call to action can also build audience loyalty, which encourages viewers to explore more content on the channel, helping build loyalty and affinity among the audience. And, the top guy in YouTube who works on the algorithm actually recommends that we replace the word algorithm with audience or replace the word algorithm with viewers. Because essentially, that's what the algorithm is. The algorithm works for viewers. The algorithm works for the audience. So every time you see the word algorithm, think of the word audience. Viewers who enjoy the content are more likely to become repeat viewers and subscribers, leading to a dedicated fan base that returns to future videos. It also increases algorithm activity. So when a viewer watches more videos on the same channel, the YouTube algorithm recognizes that the creator of the channel is good at keeping viewers on the platform. And again, this is another huge metric that we have to look out for. When the algorithm recognizes that we're good at keeping viewers on the platform, it actually pushes our videos out to more people because it knows that we're going to bring in more ad revenue. YouTube highly values viewers' watch time because watch time equals more ad revenue for both YouTube and the creator. And of course, YouTube does take its cut. It's absolutely necessary that you ask the viewer to watch another video or your channel if you want to grow on YouTube with lightning speed. This keeps them in a video loop, effectively showing the algorithm that you are effective when it comes to keeping viewers on the platform. And I do hear this all the time, whether you should ask for subs or whether you should not ask for subs. And again, it's totally up to you, but I do absolutely recommend that you ask for people to watch another video, people to sub, ask people to like and comment, because a lot of people forget. And let's be honest, people have things to do. We have a million things on our mind, and our attention spans are pretty short these days. So when you ask the audience to watch another video or you ask them to subscribe or like, you have a higher chance of them doing so. So let's absolutely also ask them to engage with the video through comments and through likes and through the end screen, which is a call to action, and watching the next video.
If you enjoyed this weight loss video, please like and subscribe to be kept up to date on my latest health content. Also, be sure to check out this next video on exactly what to eat to lose that weight and keep it off for good.
Sometimes people want to be guided. People want to be told what to watch. And when you throw something in front of them, that's a good suggestion in the form of a video, and they like it, they will absolutely click. So let's always be sure to do that at the end of every video. Great call to action is very effective. Okay, let's go over it again. We have our hook. We have our blueprint. We have the content delivery. Over to the summary. And then we have our call to action. And I want you to study these, the lengths. And I'm going to say it again. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine, like the example here, but keep it more or less the same length. The hook, the blueprint, more or less the same. Content delivery, which is the bulk of the video. Then we have our summary, and then we have our call to action. So let's review the video structure. Hook, first 10 to 30 seconds, and this is to get them hooked. So when you think of hook, think of get them hooked. Online blueprint, 30 seconds to 1 minute, is where you lay it out. Content delivery, which is 5 to 20 minutes, is the portion of the video where you show and teach them and bring massive amounts of value. Summarize, nearing the end of the video, we summarize the content. End screen is the call to action where we ask to sub, like, and watch the next video. The call to action doesn't necessarily have to strictly apply to watching the next video. If you are just starting your YouTube channel and you don't have many videos to point to, you can always ask them to sub or like or possibly comment. So this is always interchangeable. Subscribe, like, watch, comment, but it's totally up to you.